Thank you so much. And uh, a very relevant point here about the affordable access to the legal services. And I've heard experts on it, and there are so many relevant ideas and so many relevant work which is going on in developing an ecosystem for affordable legal service delivery in the country. At Legal Card, we are trying to build a consumer-focused business, and we understand that most of the business models currently in the country are focusing on supporting small businesses, big businesses, and there is a B2B model which is available. All the dashboards, the research tools, analytics which is available for businesses and corporates for that matter. All the law firms and uh, individual lawyers also are looking for a sustainable business for themselves, which is what they expect only from corporates. We realize that there is a billion population in the country, and I think everybody is also every individual expects a legal help and a legal support. And the most important thing that came to our mind is that the beginning of legal support starts from a legal advice, and we have productized the whole concept of taking a legal advice. And I'm really happy to see that tele-law is something which is government of India is doing it at a great scale. uh, we have also created a similar kind of pay per minute concept. So uh, for me it is very important for to address the challenges of a lawyer also. They also need a sustainable business model to sustain their practice, and we also need an affordable service which is available for the users at the other end. If I share the data, I mean, we have got tremendous support from the users. A couple of months back, we were selling about 2,000 minutes. Now we are selling more than 60,000 minutes a month, and the traction itself is an evidence that individuals are very keen to talk about their legal problem. They wanted to understand first and from a lawyer. Legal advice is not something, or a legal understanding is not something which you can search on Google and find a solution for it. What if you can just buy 15 minutes or a 45 minutes of consultation and talk to a lawyer at per your convenience? 30% of our calls are currently we are receiving from across the globe. NRIs, residing other countries also calling on our system, and we are seeing this as the first step towards making an individual empowered. That now they can talk to a lawyer, they can discuss about their problem, they can finalize and take a informed decision whether they would like to go for a litigation or any other kind of legal support that they want for themselves. Other important thing which we are trying to build is a documentation system, an affordable and easy to use documentation for individuals. All our focus for legal card is towards individuals. We know that individual business is something which is the most toughest business to crack. But I see legal as what medical healthcare was in 2010 or 2005, where healthcare means only hospitals. So today, legal is considered as only courts, but over the 15-20 years, you have seen that health medical system has evolved from just an hospital to now a complete end-to-end healthcare system. We have a vision to have a legal care system in place where individuals can have better understanding about their situation, where they can talk, discuss, evaluate, and take in very informed decisions. And it will not only de-burden the litigation at the courts level, but also save a lot of time and cost at an individual level. you know the market is huge. We believe that about 19 billion minutes of requirement is still there in the country every year, where people would like to talk and discuss and understand their legal situation. And documentation is something which is the second part of it. So every dispute starts from a faulty document. If you either don't have a document in place for an understanding, or the document is not well drafted, it's not up to mark, that causes the dispute and things go really wrong. At Legal Card, we are trying to build AI-enabled modules which will help you, draft documents which are cost effective, which will be used which can be used by individuals by just ordering one document at a time, rather than ordering bulk documents, or working as a law firm. We are helping individuals buy just one document on their demand. So uh, the whole scenario, the whole thought process has changed. Instead of addressing bulk demands, we are able to help at a personal level, at an individual level. So our 2 cents towards creating an affordable legal support for individuals in this country is just begin. As of now, we have served more than 1 lakh individuals in last 1.5 year, and we are looking forward to have more services for the users at the other end who are looking for legal help. And more than 10,000 lawyers are as of now available on our platform. So these numbers are currently not so big, but as we grow, we are hopeful that we can become an integral part of our justice system. Thank you.